Hi, I'm Liz from SPS. Welcome to the Clinical Minute. In this segment, I will review the Ottobock Omo Neurexa. When you receive this box from SPS, you will notice the product number is listed on the box, also located on the bottom here, as well as a sizing chart. The circumference of the chest line will provide you the direction as to what size is appropriate for your patient. All right, let's take a look and see what's inside the box. We have the Omo Neurexa, very important instruction book, and some additional adjustment pads and straps. Ottobock Omo Neurexa is an excellent orthosis for a patient who is experiencing shoulder subluxation post-stroke or from a specific injury of the peripheral or central nervous system. This will help maintain the position of the humerus inside the shoulder and reduce significant pain that the patient may be experiencing.